Hello beautiful people, this is the easiest cupcakes you can make in minutes. And in my blender, I brought in 2 large eggs. We'll be using the blender to mix this. And I also brought in sugar, oil. This is an oil-based cake and vanilla flavor. We'll blend this for about a minute or 2 till it's very fluffy. And I'll pour this into a larger bowl. We're going to bring out all the excess. And in my sieve, I brought in flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. And we're going to sieve this out. It's important you sift your flour for cake. It helps breaking the flour molecules and give you very good cake. And we'll start mixing this together to form a smooth batter. I also brought in the milk, but we'll not be adding this milk at once. We'll be adding it from time to time and keep stirring this. When we get to this point where this is completely mixed, we'll be mixing and folding. Please do not overmix this. Look at that chocolate milky color. In my baking pan, I brought in the cupcake liners and I started bringing in the batter, and this is our consistency. Please do not fill this to the brim so that you give it room to rise in the oven. And we'll be sending this to a preheated oven and baking at 170 degrees Celsius between 15 to 20 minutes. As simple and as easy as that, and our cakes are ready and out from the oven. And I'll place them in my wire rack to cool. I always say that homemade recipes are the best and every meal is possible in your kitchen. Let nothing stop you from baking your own cake at home. These cakes were soft and fluffy and absolutely yummy. I hope you learned a thing or more from this video. Remember, a Glory Homemaker will give you value for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.